This is the Piliated Woodpecker. Isn't he gorgeous? Amazing. An unusual shape and that very, very bright red head on him. Oops, sorry, I was watching myself and not watching about taking the video. He's so interesting. Sure, you're getting a good feed. Wow. Huh. I wish I could get this closer up with this camera. This is the longest period of time I've seen one of these things stay right there in one spot. He's really... This guy's been back every day now for a while. So I don't know if there's feed elsewhere hard to find or if he's been not well. Sometimes when you get birds that are, they look a little bit, thin or something, like they're not healthy. They come here quite often, so they get fattened up a little bit. But this guy looks really healthy. Oh my goodness, the whole thing fell down. Oh. I'm going to have to go out there and look, it fell right down and it made the woodpecker go away. I'm going to have to go out there and fix that.